All right, Jamie, we're ready to rock and roll with our croquettes. But one thing I wanted to show was when I showed you the meat that I had sliced up, I thought what I'd do is better show you kind of what I do. I had this still in the fridge, a few pieces, so you can get it cut like this. Then you're going to just do real thin slices like this, just like that. Of course, I can go a little faster. And then what you're going to do is you'll just take those strips and you can cross cut it again. So you're just going to go like that. So you can see that I used quite a bit of beef because I was making quite a few batches there. So, but basically speaking, that's what you're looking for. And then if you want, you can even give it a little bit of an extra chop. And like that, and then that's what you're going to use and put it in your bowl for your fine roast beef mix. Alright, now let's move over here for a minute. This is my croquette mixture that I had, and it's all cool. Very important to have it cold, because if it's warm, it's going to be a real mess. So what I'm going to do, I've washed my hands pretty good, and you're going to get something like that, and then you're going to go and make something like that. Could even be a bit bigger. I'll just make this one for now. Now what I have over here is some flour and egg wash and breadcrumbs. A lot of people would just throw this directly into the breadcrumbs. I find that what happens is it just, when you bite into it, it's just got a mushy texture, like a mushy finished product. So this is what I'll do. I'll kind of roll it in lightly in flour. Okay. Then I'm going to place it into an egg wash. And get in. And then from there, it goes into the breadcrumbs, and what I'll do is I'll put some on and even do this, and you can start. And if your croquette isn't beautifully shaped, that's when you're going to do that right here. You want to make sure you get some on the ends, pat it in, and make it like that. And basically speaking, you can get it like that, and then that can just go right into your bowl. Let's do another one. It's messy. I sometimes will have two people, one person doing the croquette. So you're gonna roll it. Like that. Get her into a rough shape. Don't forget, you're going to be putting it into the breadcrumbs, and you can fix it up a little bit. Yeah. Into the flour. This flour and egg wash and breadcrumb procedure gives the croquette a real nice snap after you deep fry it. So it's into the egg wash. Get her covered up, and into the breadcrumbs. And this is where sometimes I have a cloth here to get my hand a little bit, and cover it up, a little bit of the ends. Now you can form your croquette. So if it's not 100% before, you want to get enough breadcrumbs on it, because that's going to give you that little bit of a nice coating. I'm forming it like this. Tap your ends, and there you got your nice croquette. Put her in there. And that's the procedure, what you're going to do for them all. And the next stage I'll show is going to be when I start deep frying it. But this is what you're going to do to roll them out. Alright.